You're in the whole house, and I have it.
Dad says no teasing.
Na. Whoa! Check out the smooth, chocolatey outside, the crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery inside.
Dad says if you make a scream, you're dead meat.
You wouldn't scream.
Has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north central North Carolina until 4 p.m. At 3:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 9 miles southwest of Bethany, or about 6 miles east of Bellows Creek, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. And locations impacted include Bethany, Monroe, Reedsville. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat on the nearest ditch, or on the lowest bar and cover your head with your hands. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for north central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Blacksburg has a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north central North Carolina until 4 p.m.
Now what?
Never mind. Nobody better lay a finger on my butterfinger.
Is it my imagination? Are we going like 1 mile an hour?